Scientists have discovered the true ferocity of a huge volcanic eruption.
Hi guys, hope you're all doing good. Today we'll talk about the world's largest undersea volcano which has suddenly cracked the earth. A remarkable natural event has recently captivated the world's attention: the eruptions of the Hunga-Tonga-Hunga-Ha'apai underwater volcano. This unique geological feature, nestled in the South Pacific Ocean, has defied the stereotypical image of volcanoes, demonstrating its potential for both silent and deadly eruptions. This underwater volcano, hidden beneath this ocean's surface, deviates from the stereotype of volcanoes, which are characterized by towering, accumulating power, and frequently surprising us, owing to its submerged nature. Recent developments have thrust this colossal submarine volcano into the global spotlight, as its risk of sudden and catastrophic eruption has surged by a staggering 360%. Questions have been raised about the sudden surge in the volcanic activity, especially beneath the ocean, and its potential repercussions on the Earth's biosphere. In this video, we'll delve into the intricacies of these eruptions, their geological context, and the far-reaching consequences they might hold. The Hunga-Tonga-Hunga-Ha'apai volcano. Nestled within the Kermadec-Tonga Ridge, the Hunga-Tonga-Hunga-Ha'apai volcano stands as a testament to the Earth's dynamic geological processes. This awe-inspiring formation is a product of the convergence between the Pacific Plate and the Indo-Australian Plate, giving rise to the sprawling chain of islands and volcanoes hidden beneath the ocean's depths. The sheer scale of this submerged giant is nothing short of remarkable. At its foundation, it spans an immense 20 kilometers in diameter, extending across the ocean floor. As it ascends towards the surface, it reaches an astonishing height of around 2,000 meters, dominating the underwater landscape. The volcano's caldera, a sunken area shaped by previous eruptions, lies approximately 150 meters below sea level. Stretching 2.5 miles in length and a mile in width, it bears the visible imprints of its tumultuous past. The deposits left behind from prior eruptions have played a significant role in sculpting the terrain. The volcanic activity in this region has left a historical trail, with records dating back to as early as 1108 CE. The Hunga-Tonga-Hunga-Ha'apai volcano stands as a living chronicle of our planet's ever-changing landscape. The unprecedented 2021 and 2022 eruptions. In December of 2021, the Hunga-Tonga-Hunga-Ha'apai volcano embarked on a monumental eruption, etching a significant moment in geological history. The sheer magnitude of this event was evident as a towering plume of ash rose skyward, visible even from the town of Nuku'alofa. Swiftly, a volcanic ash advisory was issued to airlines, cautioning them to navigate with care in the wake of this sudden volcanic awakening. The force of the explosion echoed for miles, with reports of booming sounds reaching as far as 110 miles from the epicenter. Throughout the night and into the early hours of the following day, the eruption continued its fiery display before gradually relenting. This initial phase of the eruption offered a mere glimpse into the potential might of this volcano, hinting at its capacity for forceful and abrupt activity. Little did anyone know, this event was but a prelude to what lay ahead, underscoring the unpredictable and awe-inspiring nature of Earth's geological phenomena. A surging menace. January of 2022, eruptions. The island's landscape underwent a significant transformation as satellite imagery captured an expansion of its size. This expansion was not unprecedented, as previous eruptions had also altered the island's shape. On January 14, 2022, the volcano reawakened with an even more forceful eruption, unleashing an ash cloud that extended as far as 12 miles. The following day witnessed a particularly violent eruption, surpassing the intensity of the December 2021 event. This time, the volcanic plume ascended into the astonishing 36 miles into the mesosphere, setting a record for the highest elevation reached by a vapor plume. The repercussions of this eruption were felt across vast distances, with reports of loud booms reaching Tonga, Fiji, New Zealand, Australia, and as far as Alaska. The eruption of Krakatoa in 1883 remains one of the most catastrophic volcanic events in recorded history. Situated in the Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra, this strata volcano unleashed a colossal explosion, garnering a volcanic explosivity index rating of 6. It expelled an estimated 20 million tons of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, resulting in the formation of sulfuric acid aerosols, which temporarily lowered global temperatures. The eruption claimed thousands of lives, and its far-reaching impacts left an indelible mark on the climate, influencing weather patterns worldwide. In the aftermath, a new island, Ana Krakatoa, emerged within the submerged caldera, symbolizing the enduring dynamism of volcanic activity. In 2018, the eruption of Kilo in Hawaii's Lower Puna district serves as a vivid reminder of the unpredictable nature of volcanic events. Characterized as a fissure eruption, it featured multiple cracks or fissures in the Earth's surface, releasing torrents of lava, ash, and sulfur dioxide plumes. Over 700 homes were destroyed and entire subdivisions were buried beneath layers of lava. Tens of thousands of earthquakes, a massive caldera collapse, and towering ash plumes were part of this volatile episode. The eruption's impact extended beyond the immediate vicinity, affecting communities and ecosystems, underscoring the profound disruptions volcanic events can cause. Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji, Japan's highest peak, stands as an iconic example of a stratovolcano. Despite its last recorded eruption in 1707, it retains its status as an active volcano. The eruption of 1707 had significant consequences, casting a dense shroud of ash and debris over nearby towns and cities. The disruption to agriculture due to ashfall potentially led to food shortages and economic instability. Mount Fuji's ongoing activity serves as a reminder of the latent power beneath its tranquil exterior. Unraveling the magnitude. The recent eruption at Hunga-Tonga-Hunga-Ha'apai left scientists awestruck, likening its magnitude to the force of hydrogen bomb explosion. Through meticulous analysis using satellite data, field observations, and drone mapping, marine geoscientists painted a vivid picture of the cataclysmic event. They crafted a simulation that vividly portrayed the eruption's intensity and its far-reaching effects. One of the most astounding aspects was the colossal volume of water vapor released, equivalent to a staggering 58,000 swimming pools. This release holds implications for our planet's climate, potentially causing temporary warning in the years ahead. Additionally, the eruption triggered atmospheric waves that raced at the incredible 720 miles per hour, encircling the globe multiple times. This unprecedented global impact underscores the eruption's extraordinary force, surpassing any benchmark set by human activities. The study not only unraveled the immense scale of this geological event, but also emphasized the sheer power that our Earth can unleash, humbling even the most powerful of human-made forces. The Hunga-Tonga-Hunga-Ha'apai eruption serves as a stark reminder of the dynamic and unpredictable nature of our planet, urging us to continue studying and understanding these phenomena for our safety and the health of our environment. Ground-level assessments. Researchers on the ground, including Shane Cronin from the University of Auckland, conducted meticulous assessments of the damage. Downed trees and vegetation lined the coast, bearing witness to the destructive force unleashed by the eruption. The eruption's crescendo on January 15th unfolded in a series of blasts, each increasing in magnitude. Witness accounts reported initial blasts followed by much louder booms, triggering the initial damaging tsunami waves. This climactic fifth blast emerged as the most powerful, equivalent in force to the most significant nuclear tests conducted by the United States. The simulation vividly portrayed the immediate aftermath, with a displaced wave measuring an astonishing 85 meters in height just 1 minute after the blast. As this immense wave traveled towards Tonga's Tofua Island, the study's ground observations indicated its towering presence, reaching 45 meters. The eruption of Hunga-Tonga-Hunga-Ha'apai dwarfed even the most powerful explosions engineered by humans, such as nuclear bombs. This rare and monumental event served as a stark reminder that such eruptions are extraordinary, but not occurring in our daily lives. The volcano itself is an enigma known for its capricious nature. It slumbers unpredictably, capable of awakening at any moment with formidable force. When it does, it poses a significant threat. Though massive volcanic eruptions don't dominate headlines regularly, their potential to reshape landscapes and livelihoods is undeniable. Hunga-Tonga-Hunga-Ha'apai stands as a testament to nature's unpredictability, urging us to remain vigilant and prepared for unseen and unforeseen events. It reinforces the wisdom of respecting the immense power that our planet wields, and emphasizes the importance of adapting to nature's ever-changing course. Thank you for watching the video. Now we'd like to hear your thoughts. Let us know in the comment section, what implications do you think the recent eruptions of the Hunga-Tonga-Hunga-Ha'apai volcano hold for our understanding of underwater volcanism and its potential impact on coastal regions and global climate? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned until next time.